how to allow or deny apps access permission to camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and then tap on permission manager, then tap on camera. Next, go down the list here and tap on the app that you want to grant or deny permission. So here, go down to the not allowed section and say tap on Apple Music. Then tap on allow only when using the app or ask every time. So tap on that and then allow. So go back and the Apple Music app now will be in the allow section. To remove access or deny access to Apple Music, you go to the allow section and then tap on Apple Music and then choose don't allow. Then tap on the back key. Then it will be moved to the not allow section. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos.